Before you mount the cabinets, think about cable management. Where do you need lighting? Where do you want the cable to come out of the cabinet? Where do you connect the cables to the power source? Some cabinets may need to be prepared for sockets. Measure where you need to cut a hole in the back piece. If you have a glass cabinet, prepare it for fitting a spotlight. Ensure the cable can run easily between the cabinet and the rail. Finish preparing the cabinets and cables. Now hang the wall cabinets, starting in the corner. Follow with the remaining cabinets. Once the cabinets are hanging on the rail, you can slide them along to make small adjustments. Before fixing the cabinets to the wall, make sure they are aligned underneath, in front and on top. If it's difficult to align the cabinets, undo the wall brackets a bit. Then clamp the cabinets and screw them together at the front. Then secure the brackets again. Time to install the base cabinets. Always start from the corner. Before you place the cabinets onto the rail, assemble the legs according to the assembly instructions. The legs have a plate that connects to the cabinet and a ring that ensures the plinth can be installed correctly. There are two ways to attach the leg plate onto the cabinet in order to even out the pressure from the weight of the cabinet. You can attach it between two cabinets or at the edge of an outer cabinet. When installing the cabinets with a rail, you only need legs in front of the cabinets. The exception is with an outer cabinet, where you need a leg at the back as well to support the plinth. Hang the cabinets onto the rail and adjust the legs to the right height to make it even on the floor. The height of the plinth is 8 centimetres. Follow with the rest of the base cabinets and adjust in order to align and connect the legs. If you choose to have cover panels on high cabinets, align the cover panel with the wall and base cabinets. Measure where to make room for the rail. Mount the cover panel on the wall and base cabinet. Hang the high cabinet on the rail. Fix the high cabinet and cover panel together with the base and wall cabinet.